How to share your world in Lego Fortnite. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in a super quick and easy tutorial. It's super easy to do, so if you would like to invite players or your friends to always be able to play your world without you being online, basically like a Minecraft server, then yeah, keep watching. All you basically want to do is make sure that your friend is in your world. So once you are both in your world, you want to press M to open up your map. And here you can actually see players. Now, if you do not own a world, you can only see map and inventory. But if you own the actual world, you can see players, you can see world owner, and then guest. Now, if I click on here, you can see that I have 7 keys remaining and that I can share a key with my friend. So now the Fortnite Koning is now a key holder for this world, which means that he can always play this map without, without me having to be online. Now, if your friend, for example, has done that and you would like to join his world, I'll show you guys real quick on how to actually join their world instead of yours. So I'll just quickly leave this. As you can see here on select world, you can see your world, so my worlds over here, and then shared worlds are the ones that are shared with you. And now I can click on play and I can actually play there inside of their world without that person being online. So that is how to share a world in Lego Fortnite.